Hello guys, so welcome back to Language Journey, welcome back to Sepedi Lessons channel. So this is day 3 of 21 day Sepedi challenge. So today we're going to be looking at verbs, some of the common and most used verbs. So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first one we have able to. So able to means khona. I am able to swim. Ke khona go swima. I am able to swim. Ke khona go swima. The next one we have advice. So advice means eletsa. Please advise me. Ke kgopela o nkeletse. Please advise me. Ke kgopela o nkeletse. Advice eletsa. The next one we have afraid of, which means chaba. I'm afraid of the dark. Ke chaba liswiswi. I am afraid of the dark. Ke chaba liswiswi. Afraid means dark. So the next one we have answer, which means araba. Answer, araba. Answer my question. Araba putisho yaka. Answer my question. Araba putisho yaka. The next one we have arrive. So arrive means fihla. I arrive today. Ke fihla le hono. I arrive today. Ke fihla le hono. Arrive means fihla. So the next one we have ask, which means vutisha. Ask, vutisha. Ask me questions. Vutisha diputisho. Ask me questions. Vutisha diputisho. So the next one we have ask for, which means kgopela. Ask for help. Kgopela thusho. Ask for help. Kgopela thusho. Ask for means kgopela. The next one have begin, which means thoma. Begin your lessons. Thoma dithuto tša gago. Begin your lessons. Thoma dithuto tša gago. The next one we have believe, which means tshepa. Believe me, ntshepe. Believe, tshepa. The next one we have boil, which means bela. Boil the water. Bidisha metsi. Boil the water. Bidisha metsi. The next one we have borrow, which means adima. Borrow me your pen. Nkadime pene. Borrow me your pen. Nkadime pene. Borrow means adima. So the next one we have burn, which means chuma. Burn your bread. Chuma boroto bja gago. Burn your bread. Chuma boroto ba gago. So the next one we have buy, which means reka. Buy your sweets. Reka malekere a gago. Buy your sweets. Reka malekere a gago. The next one we have carry, which means rwala. Carry the load. Rwala morwalo. Carry the load. Rwala morwalo. So our last one we have close. So close means tswalela. Close the door. Tswalela libati. Close the door. Tswalela libati. So that's it for our day 3 of 21 day Sepedi challenge. So if you have any Sepedi verbs that you'd like to know their meanings in English, please don't hesitate to drop them on the comment section. For now, I will see you in the next video.